You know Boeing, the American aerospace giant that's been dominating the sky since the 90s. Well, they're not done impressing us. Boeing is about to redefine what it means to fly with their latest marvel, the Boeing 777X. This isn't just an airplane. It's an entire experience that elevates commercial aviation to new heights. From a cabin that feels like a five-star hotel to groundbreaking sustainability initiatives, the 777X is setting the stage for the future of air travel. So what makes this aircraft the next big thing in aviation? The Boeing 777 has long been a symbol of innovation and efficiency in the realm of commercial aviation. With a wingspan stretching nearly 200 feet and powered by the formidable General Electric GE90 engine, this wide-body twin-engine jet has an impressive range of up to 7,370 nautical miles. This incredible range capability makes it possible to fly non-stop routes such as New York to Dubai, revolutionizing long-haul travel. And the new Boeing 777X is poised to build on the successes of its predecessor and take air travel to new heights. Developed in response to the revamped Airbus A350XWB, the 777X was officially unveiled in 2013, and since then, it has faced various challenges, including delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the repercussions of the 737 MAX crisis. Despite these obstacles, the first delivery of the 777X is now expected in 2025. The aircraft has already garnered significant attention and orders from major airlines worldwide, including Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Singapore Airlines. These orders reflect the aircraft's potential to revolutionize long-range air travel. The 777X comes at a list price of $394.9 million for the 777-8 variant and $425.8 million for the 777-9 variant, although airlines usually negotiate substantial discounts for bulk orders. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the Boeing 777 was its design process. In a departure from traditional methods, Boeing utilized 3D computer graphics to virtually design the aircraft. This digital approach allowed engineers to visualize the entire aircraft, identify potential issues early in the design phase, and rectify them more efficiently. This 3D design methodology was a game changer, setting a new industry standard for aircraft design. Now let us get inside one of the 777X models. You will immediately notice that the cabin is designed to feel like a luxurious treat, offering an additional 4 inches of space compared to its predecessor, the 777-300ER. This extra room allows airlines to feature a 7 abreast business class cabin that meets modern-day expectations of privacy and a full lie-flat seat. The 777X takes in-flight comfort to unparalleled levels with its expansive and luxurious cabin. The windows are not just windows. They are panoramic portals to the world below. They are 16% larger than those on the 777 and are positioned higher on the fuselage, allowing more natural light to flood the cabin. State-of-the-art electronic dimming controls let you adjust the amount of natural light to suit your mood. The cabin's innovative architecture offers not just extra legroom, but also ample storage space for all your travel essentials. Thanks to the advanced air nozzles that work silently, the cabin maintains a cozy and tranquil atmosphere. The aircraft also offers new lighting options, enabling airlines to create distinct cabins that meet their passengers' needs. But the 777X isn't just about passenger comfort. It's also a marvel of modern aviation technology. The cockpit is a blend of tradition and the future, featuring large touchscreen displays, electronic flight bags, and head-up displays.
As you can see, we have the large displays. We have the 5 large displays. They can be used to present other information, so it's very flexible. Another feature that's like the 787 is the heads-up displays. On this airplane, they are optional, so the customer would have to select them. On the 787, they're part of the basic design.
Fly-by-wire controls make piloting the 777X smoother and more precise, ensuring the highest levels of safety. Speaking of safety, the aircraft is equipped with cutting-edge features like the enhanced ground proximity warning system, traffic alert and collision avoidance system, fire detection and suppression systems, and emergency evacuation systems. Boeing has also revealed that the 777X will deliver 10% lower fuel use and emissions and 10% lower operating costs than the competition, setting new standards in aerodynamics and engine performance. And its engine is a beast on its own. The GE9X engine developed exclusively by GE Aviation. This engine is a powerhouse, setting a new world record with a staggering thrust of 134,300 pounds. But it's not just about raw power. The GE9X is also the epitome of efficiency. It's the most fuel-efficient jet engine ever made by General Electric, ensuring that you're flying on an aircraft that's as kind to the environment as it is to your travel plans. The 777X comes in two variants, the 777-8 and the 777-9. The first variant, 777-8, offers a range of 8,700 nautical miles and can seat between 350 to 375 passengers in a two-class configuration. The 777-9 has a range of 7,600 nautical miles and can seat between 400 to 425 passengers. Both variants are twin-aisle configurations with features to ensure luxury and comfort along the world tour. The engineering team, led by 777X Chief Project Engineer Michael Teal, worked meticulously to finalize the design elements. According to Teal, by the time the assembly was ready to begin, they had reached a 93 to 95% design release region, indicating that the engineering was almost entirely finalized. One of the most significant innovations in the 777X is its composite wings. Boeing invested in a $1 billion composite wing center where the skin and bones of these large-scale non-metallic wings are formed. The CWC is a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to crafting these wings with precision. Initial fuselage panels for the first 777-9 were shipped from Japan to Everett, Washington. Integrated systems tests began in Seattle area labs. The design release for structures was completed, although some work remained for systems and propulsion engine build-up installation. Boeing introduced several new initiatives to improve the assembly process. According to Boeing's Vice President and Chief Engineer of Sustainability, Jim Hireman, the company is working on 4 strategic pathways to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. These include renewable energy and operational efficiency. Boeing is working closely with governments and customers globally to support civil aviation's commitment to sustainability. They are advancing sustainable aviation fuels and aiming for 100% SAF compatibility on their airplanes by 2030. Boeing is also exploring other renewable fuel sources integrated with advanced technology, including hydrogen and hybrid electric aircraft concepts. The legacy of the Boeing 777 series, which revolutionized commercial aviation in the 1990s, serves as the foundation upon which the 777X is built. The initial market response to the 777X was strong, with Lufthansa placing an order for 34 of the 777-9 variants right off the bat. This strong market interest is a testament to the aircraft's anticipated impact on the aviation industry. Boeing's Eco Demonstrator program is another feather in its cap. The program assesses technologies on current flagship Boeing airplanes, including a 777-200, which features sustainable wall panels made of 40% recycled carbon fiber and 60% resin from a bio-based feedstock. Boeing has also publicly launched Cascade, a data modeling and visualization tool that assesses the full life cycle impacts of decarbonizing aviation. The Boeing 777X is more than just a plane. It's an experience that sets a new standard for luxury and service in the sky. The 777X is backed by Boeing's reputation for excellence and has received 363 orders as of February 2023. So the next time you are planning to travel, keep an eye out for the 777X. Because this aircraft is redefining what it means to fly in luxury.